So what's he do? He just starts it or does he rev it up? Oh man! Oh!
Am I missing something?
Maybe.
Was the engine pretty clean maybe?
Yeah, it'll probably start coming here. Put your foot on the gas. Like just do a couple high revs. Yeah, keep doing it.
Oh yeah! There you go.
Another successful sea foam. Yeah, dude, you're good to go.
All set then?
Yeah, you're all set, dude.
Thanks.
Dude, seriously, like pound your foot into it, like getting up to speed.
Alright.
Like it's better to hit high RPM, so like you're really hitting like
burning off
high
more.
temp. Yeah,
Thanks a lot, dude.
no problem.
I'll see you on Monday.
Good luck. We might have to do a couple more tries.